How do I transition into wearing my natural hair? Stop relaxing it. Stop relaxing it and stop using heat and move into protective styles like braids, braid outs, wigs, weaves. If you're using a lot of heat styling, then refrain from heat styling. Move into these protective styles, say every 3 weeks, switch it up. I don't suggest leaving your hair in braids, wigs or weaves for longer than 3 weeks, because that's about as long as your strands and your scalp can sustain that amount of stress or neglect before they bite back in the form of hair loss, breakage, or bacteria on the scalp. But simply don't put any more chemicals in your hair if in fact you do straighten your hair or relax it. Again, oftentimes just putting your hair back, blowing it out with tons of leave-in conditioner and oils, and snatching it back is great. But simply stop relaxing your hair. Putting chemicals in your hair is the first part to transitioning, because how you think about your hair today is much differently than how you're going to think about it in 6 months from now. So transitioning just means that you stop relaxing or stop using excessive heat so that you can at least see what's coming in that's new. All right, hope that helps.